outpost. See everybody coming the other direction down here for the Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion 2022. This is Landon. Jason's in the cockpit with me. We're rolling in the Gurr Jeep right now. Up ahead of us is the Phantom Diesel. It's got the wives up there. We're following them, going out to the outpost. We're going to check it out before they shut her down for the day. We're on this road that only worms and snakes and apparently Jeeps can get down. Oh, and a Chevy. Alright, my bad. My fingers are tired from waving already. And so we hooked up a couple hours ago. We went up to the Smoky Mountain Jeep Outfitters. Now we're heading out to the Cage Cove Jeep Outfitters. And then tomorrow we'll have footage from the show. Hey, what's up? Okay, all right, we'll get there. This guy, it's Landon with O.K.I. Actually, I'm here right here with Jason. We're at Cage Cove Jeep Outfitters right now, being eaten alive by gnats and sand fleas. You can see behind me the giant duck, and Jason's gagging on bugs. They are everywhere. This is our first stop. Actually, this is our second stop. First stop was the Smoky Mountain Jeep Outfitters. So we're here. It's Thursday night. We're gonna go up here and try not to be eaten alive. But yeah, festivities have begun. Check this out. We're gonna turn around. We were checking this out. The Gypsy Queen is this here. This thing. We followed this in. 4.0 Wrangler, the lace top. It's a beautiful little Jeep. Oh, absolutely amazing. Then the two other ones that I really got a kick out of is the Heifer. The Heifer. Check this thing out. Sorry. Look at this. All done up. Lifted. So, and then a great looking Gladiator with a Mojave package. Cool color. I like that scheme a lot. So I see the Shepherd, I see Scooby, I see the Purple Haze, a plum purple. You can see the giant duck. They're lining up to get their Jeep's pictures taken with the giant duck. This is just cool. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna take footage tomorrow. Yeah, so just hang out, stay tuned. O.K.I. over the weekend is gonna be all over the Jeep Invasion down here in Pigeon Forge. If you see us, come by, say hi. We're just walking, we're not showing anywhere. So just stay tuned all weekend. We'll see you soon.
Hey folks, this is Jason with O.K.I. Overlanding. If you're liking this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see.